Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to talk about IP version 4 and IP version 6. Let's get started. IP stands for Internet Protocol. An IP address is a unique identifier for devices connected to a network. The unique identifier makes it possible for devices to find and communicate with each other. Whenever a device accesses the internet, it is assigned a unique numerical IP address. IP addresses are assigned by a central numbering authority called the Internet Assigned Numbers Authority, which ensures that addresses are globally unique. IP works in tandem with TCP to deliver data packets across the network. IP address comprised of two major parts: network number and host number. Network number identifies a network and is assigned by the Internet, while the host number identifies a host on the network and is assigned by a network admin. IP is only responsible for delivering the packets, and TCP helps to put them back in the right order. There are two types of Internet Protocol: IP version 4 and IP version 6. IP version 4 is a network layer protocol that contains addressing and control information, which helps packets to be routed in a network. It is considered the primary Internet protocol and carries 94% of Internet traffic. IP version 4 address is a 32-bit number that uniquely identifies a network interface on a machine. An IP version 4 address is typically written in a decimal digits, formatted as 4 8-bit binary numbers that are separated by a decimal point, like this. Each group of numbers separated by dot is called octet. Numbers in each octet ranges from 0 to 255. That means it can produce more than 4 billion addresses. Computers and networks don't understand IP address in this format. They only understand numbers in a binary format. Binary format only use ones and zeros. Binary address for this IP number is this. This is the number which computers and network devices actually read and understand. But the question is, how do we get this binary number from this IP address? Well, it's not too complicated. Let's see how it works. IP address is made up of 4 sets of 8 binary bits called octets. Bits in each octet are represented by numbers. Starting from left, first bit has a value of 128, then 64, and so on. Each bit on the octet can be 1 or 0. If the number is 1, then the number it represents counts. If the number is 0, then the number it represents does not count. So for example, first octet in this IP address is 172. So how do we get a binary number out of 172? First, you need to look at the chart and put ones under the numbers that would add up to the total of 172. Let's put 1 under 128, 32, 8 and 4. If we add them, we will get our number 172. All of the other bits would be 0. So this number is the binary version of 172. Let's put it here and get the second binary number of 217. Let's put 1 under 128, 64, 16, 8 and 1. If we add them, we will get our number 217. All the other bits would become 0. This is our binary version of 217. This is how we can get all the binary numbers. Let's talk about version 6. IP version 6 is the next generation Internet Protocol standard. It is also called IPNG, Internet Protocol Next Generation. It was created to deal with IP version 4 exhaustion. It is the most recent version of Internet Protocol, communications protocol that provides an identification and location for computers on the networks and routes traffic across the Internet. It is a network layer protocol that includes addressing and control information for enabling packets to be routed in the network. IP version 4 address method uses 4 sets of 1 to 3 digit numbers. IP version 6 uses 8 groups of 4 hexadecimal digits separated by colons. IP version 6 protocol can handle packets more efficiently, improve performance, and increase security. IP version 6 has been in the works since 1998 to address the shortfall of IP addresses. Internet Engineering Task Force recognized this 20 years ago. In 1998, this task force created IP version 6, which uses 128-bit hexadecimal addressing to support approximately 340 undecillion addresses, which are more than enough for future. Hexadecimal use both numbers and alphabets. That's the number 340 followed by 36 digits. This is a text form of IP version 6 address, where each X is hexadecimal digit representing 4 bits. This is how IP version 6 address looks like. Let's see the key difference between them. IP version 4 is 32-bit IP address, whereas IP version 6 is a 128-bit IP address. IP version 4 is a numeric addressing method, whereas IP version 6 is an alphanumeric addressing method. IP version 4 binary bits are separated by dot, whereas IP version 6 binary bits are separated by colon. IP version 4 supports broadcast, whereas IP version 6 does not support broadcast. IP version 4 uses ARP to map to MAC address, whereas IP version 6 uses NDP, Neighbor Discovery Protocol, to map MAC address. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. See you in the next video.